Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Your Math by Kona YouTube channel. This is yours Kona Kiran Reddy. Today in this video let us do the problems from exercise 12.1 of 8th class mathematics, chapter 12 exponents and powers. First question is evaluate. These are the values we need to evaluate. So first value let us take 3 to the power of negative 2. So here this is in the form of a to the power of negative m, that is equal to, we know that this is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So this will be equal to 1 by 3 square. So if you compare these two, we will get like that. This is equal to 1 by 3 square means 9. So the answer is 1 by 9. Now let us take the second question. That is negative 4 whole to the power of negative 2. This is equal to, we can use same identity, that is a to the power of negative m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So this can be written as 1 by negative 4 whole square. This is equal to 1 by negative 4 whole square means negative 4 times negative 4, which is equal to 1 by negative 4 times negative 4 is negative into negative, positive 4 into 4, 16. So that is equal to 1 by 16. Now let us go to the third one, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power of negative 5. So this is in the form of a by b whole to the power of negative m. To remove this minus, we can write like this. This is equal to a by b we have. You write this one as b by a. Now whole to the power of, instead of minus m, you write positive m. Right. So you switch the numerator and denominator. Then remove the minus sign. That's it. This is one identity. So this is equal to 1 by 2 whole to the power of negative 5 can be written as 2 by 1 whole to the power of positive 5. So that is equal to 2 by 1 is 2. So 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, like that. We need to multiply 5 times. So this is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 32. Let us go to the next question, that is second question. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. First one, negative 4 whole to the power of 5 divided by negative 4 whole to the power of 8. We can write this one as negative 4 whole to the power of 5 divided by negative 4 whole to the power of 8. So this is equal to, we can use the identity a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So this can be written as negative 4 whole to the power of 5 minus 8, which is equal to negative 4 whole to the power of 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Now this is equal to remove this minus in the exponent, we can write like this. This is equal to 1 by negative 4 whole cube, like that we can write. So why? Because a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. This is the identity. Now this is equal to 1 by negative 4 whole cube. We can write this is equal to 1 can be written as 1 cube. So combine both cubes. So we can write like this, 1 by negative 4 whole cube, or we can write negative 1 by 4 whole cube. This is the final answer. Now let us go to the second problem. Second problem, 1 by 2 cube whole square. This is equal to, we can write the square separately, both numerator and denominator. So 1 square divided by 2 cube whole square. So that is equal to 1 square is 1 divided by, this is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. That will be equal to a to the power of mn. So 2 to the power of, multiply 3 and 2 here. So 3 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 3 into 2 is 6. Here 1 can be written as 1 to the power of 6 also. So this is equal to, we can write this one as 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the third problem. Negative 3 whole to the power of 4 times 5 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Now this is equal to Negative 3 whole to the power of 4, you see here, negative 3 whole to the power of 4 equal to negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3. Here minus into minus plus, here also minus into minus plus. In both the cases we will get plus here plus here. So we can ignore these minus symbols. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So in the main question we can write like this. This is equal to 3 to the power of 4 into, this can be written as 5 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Now 3 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 4 gets cancelled. The remaining value is 5 to the power of 4. That is the answer. Fourth one, 3 to the power of negative 7 divided by 3 to the power of negative 10 into 3 to the power of negative 5. So this is equal to, we can write like this, 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 into 3 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to, if you observe the numerator, this one, 3 to the power of negative 7 into 3 to the power of negative 5. We can write that one as a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m into a to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we can write this one as 3 to the power of negative 7 plus negative 5 divided by 3 to the power of negative 10. So that is equal to 3 to the power of negative 7 plus negative 5 means that is negative 12 divided by 3 to the power of negative 10. This is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So a to the power of m minus n we can write. So this is equal to 3 to the power of minus 12 minus the exponent of the denominator is minus 10. So we need to write minus 10 again. So put the bracket here. This is equal to 3 to the power of minus 12 plus 10. This is equal to 3 to the power of minus 12 plus 10 means minus 2. This is equal to, we can write this one as a to the power of minus m means 1 by a to the power of m. So 1 by 3 square, since a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Now this is equal to, we can write 1 as 1 square. So we can write this one as 1 by 3 whole square. This is the final answer. Let us go to the fifth problem. Fifth one, 2 to the power of negative 3 into negative 7 whole to the power of negative 3. Now this is equal to, if you observe the exponents, both are minus 3 and minus 3. So we can write combinedly 2 into minus 7 whole to the power of minus 3. So this is equal to 2 into minus 7 means minus 14. So minus 14 whole to the power of minus 3. We need to write with positive exponents. So this is equal to, we can write this one as, this is in the form of a to the power of minus m. So a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So we can write this is equal to 1 by minus 14 whole to the power of 3. Or we can write this one as minus 1 by 14 whole cube. This is the final answer. Find the value of, the first one is 3 to the power of 0 plus 4 to the power of negative 1 times 2 square. This is equal to 3 to the power of 0. The value of 3 power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power of negative 1. So this is in the form of a to the power of minus m, that is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. That is what we know. So we can write 4 to the power of minus 1 as 1 by 4. Then times 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. Now this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. We can do this as a mixed fraction. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 by 4 times 4. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. The answer is, that is equal to 5. That is the answer for first problem. Let us go to the second problem. Second one, 2 to the power of negative 1 plus 4 to the power of negative 1 divided by 2 to the power of negative 2. That is equal to, we know that a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. This is the identity we need to use here. So 2 to the power of negative 1 will be 1 by 2 plus 4 to the power of negative 1 will be 1 by 4. Then divided by 2 to the power of negative 2 can be written as 1 by 2 square. So that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 we have. This is equal to 1 by 2. Here we need to make the denominators equal. For that, let us multiply this one by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 by 2 like that. So plus 1 by 4. Then divided by, this is 1 by 2 square. We have 1 by 2 square means 4. Now this is equal to, this is 1 into 2 is 2. 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 we have. If you write times, that means multiply, then we need to take the reciprocal of 1 by 4. That means for 1 by 4 the reciprocal is 4 by 1 or simply 4. This is equal to, you see here the denominators are equal, so write common denominator 4. Then you can directly add the numerators, 2 plus 1, then times 4. This is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 4 times 4. So 4 gets cancelled. This is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Let us go to the third question. Third one. 1 by 2 whole to the power of negative 2 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power of negative 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power of negative 2. This is equal to, these are in the form of a by b whole to the power of minus m. To remove this minus symbol, we can simply switch numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. That means a by b we have, we write this one as b by a, then whole to the power of m. Remove minus symbol and write m. Now in the same way here 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 we have. So we write this one as 2 by 1 whole to the power of, instead of minus 2 you write 2. Similarly, here 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 we have. We write 3 by 1 whole to the power of 2. Similarly, here 1 by 4 we have. So, write 4 by 1 whole square. This is equal to 2 by 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. Then 3 by 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 4 by 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. So, this is equal to 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So, the answer is 29. Let us go to the fourth one. 3 to the power of negative 1 plus 4 to the power of negative 1 plus 5 to the power of negative 1 whole to the power of 0. We know that anything to the power of 0, that means a to the power of 0 equal to 1, where a is not equal to 0. Here also the value which is within the brackets is not equal to 0. So a power 0 equal to 1, this is the identity we can use. So the answer is, this is directly, that is equal to 1. Now let us go to fifth problem. Negative 2 by 3 whole to the power of negative 2 whole square we have. We can use the identity a to the power of m whole to the power of n. That is equal to a to the power of mn. We know that. So this is equal to negative 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 whole square we have. So we can multiply these two. So minus 2 into 2. So that is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 times 2 is 4. Now we can use the identity a by b whole to the power of negative m, that is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. So according to this one, we can write negative 2 by 3 as 3 by negative 2, then whole to the power of positive 4. This is equal to, write the exponent to numerator and denominator separately. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 4 divided by negative 2 whole to the power of 4. So this is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 divided by negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. This is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. Here minus into minus plus and minus into minus plus. So we can ignore these minus symbols. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So 81 by 16 is the final answer for this question. Let us go to the next problem. Fourth problem. In this we need to evaluate the given values. So first one let us take 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 cube divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. This is equal to, here 8 to the power of negative 1 we have, we can write this one as 1 by 8. Why? Because we can use a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Similarly, if we have 1 by a to the power of minus m, we can write this one as a to the power of m. We can use these two identities. So here in the denominator we have 2 to the power of minus 4. If you bring this to numerator, we will get 2 to the power of 4. So we write 2 to the power of 4, then times 5 cube, then divided by 8 to the power of negative 1 we have. So we can write that one as 1 by 8. So by 8 we can write. Now this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 5 cube divided by 8. We have 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So that means 2 cube. Now you observe these two. 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 cube. That is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So that is equal to 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 then times 5 cube. So 2 to the power of 4 minus 3 means 1. So 2 to the power of 1 times 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So this is equal to 2 into 125 gives us 250. So that is the final answer. Let us go to the second one. 5 to the power of minus 1 times 2 to the power of minus 1 then times 6 to the power of minus 1. We know that a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m, or simply a to the power of minus 1 gives us 1 by a simply. So by using this identity, this is equal to 5 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 5, then times 2 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 2, then times 6 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 6. This is equal to, just multiply the numerators and denominators separately. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 divided by 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 6 is 60. So 1 by 60 is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Fifth problem. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 equal to 5 to the power of 5. Let us write 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 equal to 5 to the power of 5. So the solution is, given that 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of negative 3 equal to 5 to the power of 5. So you can write this one as 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 equal to 5 to the power of 5. Now if you observe the LHS value, that is in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m minus n. We can use this identity. So we can write this one as 5 to the power of m minus n is here negative 3. So we need to write again negative 3. So we need to put the bracket here, which is equal to 5 to the power of 5. So we can write 5 to the power of m minus into minus plus 3 equal to 5 to the power of 5. Now as the bases are equal and not equal to 0 and 1, so we can equalize the exponents. So therefore we can write m plus 3 equal to 5. So that implies m equal to, send this 3 to right side, we will get minus 3. So 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So therefore the answer is m equal to 2. Next problem, sixth problem, evaluate. We have two questions in this one. First one, 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1, then minus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1, then whole to the power of minus 1. This looks like somewhat complicated, but not that much of complicated. These are easy problems. This is equal to, now you observe in the brackets 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 we have. So we know that if we have a by b whole to the power of minus m, we can write this one as b by a whole to the power of, remove this minus symbol and write m. So here also 1 by 3 we have in the brackets. You write this one as 3 by 1, then remove the minus symbol of the exponent. So whole to the power of 1. Minus, here also 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 we have. We can write this one as 4 by 1 whole to the power of 1. Then whole to the power of minus 1 we have. This is equal to 3 by 1 means 3. So 3 to the power of 1 is 3. minus 4 by 1 is 4. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4 whole to the power of minus 1. This is equal to 3 minus 4 means minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 we have. We can write this one as, this is in the form of a to the power of minus m. A to the power of minus m means 1 by a to the power of m. So this will be equal to 1 by minus 1 whole to the power of 1. So that is equal to 1 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Let us go to the second one. 5 by 8 whole to the power of negative 7 times 8 by 5 whole to the power of negative 4. This is equal to, here 5 by 8 whole to the power of negative 7 we have. For this we can use the identity a by b whole to the power of minus m, which is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. In the same way, here also 5 by 8 whole to the power of negative 7 can be written as 8 by 5 whole to the power of 7, then times 8 by 5 whole to the power of negative 4. Here observe the bases are equal in both the cases, 8 by 5, 8 by 5. So we can use a to the power of m into a to the power of n identity, which is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is equal to 8 by 5 whole to the power of 7 plus minus 4. Now this is equal to 8 by 5 whole to the power of 7 plus minus 4 means 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So this is equal to 8 by 5 whole cube means 8 by 5 into 8 by 5 into 8 by 5. So that is equal to 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 8 is 512. Divided by 5 into 5, 25. 25 times 5 means 125. So the answer is 512 by 125. Next problem, seventh problem, simplify. So first one, let us take 25 times t to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 times 10 times t to the power of minus 8, where t is not equal to 0. Now this is equal to, we can write 25 as 5 square, then divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 we have, okay, we can write 5 to the power of minus 3 times 10 can be written as 5 times 2. Then now observe t to the power of minus 4 and t to the power of minus 8 we have. We can write like this, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So in the same way, t to the power of minus 4 divided by t to the power of minus 8 we have. We can write this one as times t to the power of minus 4. Now you bring this minus 8 to numerator, then we can write like this, minus of minus 8 using this identity. This is equal to 5 square into t to the power of, this is minus 4, minus into minus plus 8 divided by, this is 5 to the power of minus 3. Here 5 we have, we can write this one as 5 to the power of 1. So this is of the form a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we can write this one as 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 1, then times 2. Now this is equal to 5 square into, this is t to the power of minus 4 plus 8 means 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4, divided by, this is 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2, then times 2. That is equal to, you observe here these two, this is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So a to the power of m minus n. So that means 5 to the power of 2 minus this minus 2. Then times t to the power of 4 divided by 2. This is equal to 5 to the power of 2 minus into minus plus 2 times t to the power of 4 by 2. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 4 into t to the power of 4 by 2. This is equal to 5 to the power of 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 625. Then times t to the power of 4 by 2. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem, that is second one. 3 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power of minus 7 into 6 to the power of minus 5. This is equal to, we know that a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m, and similarly 1 by a to the power of minus m equal to a to the power of m. So by using these two identities, you see here 3 to the power of minus 5 we have, you bring this to denominator. Similarly 10 to the power of minus 5 you have, you bring this to denominator. Similarly 5 to the power of negative 7 and 6 to the power of negative 5 we have, you bring this to numerator. So it will become 5 to the power of negative 7 becomes 5 to the power of 7. Then 6 to the power of minus 5 becomes 6 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of minus 5 we have 3 to the power of 5, then times 10 to the power of 5 we write, then times 125 we have, so that all the exponents will be positive numbers. So this is equal to 5 to the power of 7 times 6 to the power of 5 we have, you write this one as 2 into 3, 6 we have, we can write 6 as 2 into 3, so whole to the power of 5. Then 125 can be written as 5 cube divided by 3 to the power of 5 into 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 whole to the power of 5. Now this is equal to 5 to the power of 7 into 2 into 3 whole to the power of 5 we have. Write this exponent to separately 2 and 3. So we can write 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 5 into 5 cube divided by 3 to the power of 5 into, here 2 into 5 whole to the power of 5. Write this one as 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5. This is equal to, observe here 3 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 5 gets cancelled. Then 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 5 gets cancelled. The remaining values are 5 to the power of 7 into 5 cube divided by 5 to the power of 5. So which is equal to, you observe the numerator a to the power of m into a to the power of n, that is a to the power of m plus n. So 5 to the power of 7 plus 3 divided by 5 to the power of 5. So that is equal to 5 to the power of 7 plus 3 is 10 divided by 5 to the power of 5. This is equal to, this is of the form a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 5 to the power of 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5 to the power of 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125, 125 into 5 625, 625 into 5, that is 3125. So that is the final answer. So with this, exercise 12.1 is over. If you like my explanations, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, do comment in the comment section. Thank you, yours Konakiran Reddy.